Oh no.
Oh fuck. Oh! You didn't even fucking grab it. This fucking dumb piece of shit. You're a dumbass. It chased after me, motherfucker. Run! Oh shit, you have to run, I think. You have to run. Oh, run, 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 run!
Run! Run! Run!
Bro, I don't have it! 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 Run, Andy, His body just... Bro, I can't even get back up on the fucking thing. Oh, you bitches. Relax. Relax. Yo, Andy, bro, your body's being protected too. This is fucked. We better lose all the money we spent, bro. You think they can get me under here? Give me Andy. Oh shit! Never mind, I can't grab you. Oh my god. Oh no, bro. We're about to lose everything we had. Andy, I'll come back, homie. Don't worry, we need Phoenix and Andy to have health. I'm one shot.
Where's the ship?
It just came from it. Give me a second. There it is.
Oh, right here.
His
Okay,
body's behind.
I'll grab the hive, you grab his body, and I'll run to the ship.
Well, no, we have to distract the bugs though, first.
Well, the bugs can follow me.
Okay, let's try. Is Phoenix dead?
No, he's still alive.
Oh, thank God. Okay. His body's over there, you see.
Oh my god, yeah, I see it. Oh my god.
It's protecting his balls, dude.
Oh my god. Alright, I'm gonna do it.
Yeah,
I'll distract them. Ready?
Yep.
Set.
Oh my, I'm dead. Oh my god! You fucking cocky didn't distract shit!
I got it covered. Ow! I got his body! I did it!
Oh, you're better, you're better.
I'm gonna die! Oh! Ah!
I'm so sick right now, I can't laugh anymore. Oh, no. You were a hero, but is the hive in the... Oh no, the hive is in there. How funny would it be for Phoenix to just find everyone dead? Bro, how funny would it be for Phoenix to come back to the ship and there's a fucking bee on it, bro?
Did he die? Did he die? Jesus! Bro, Kami, dude, I closed the door on it. Do I just leave?
Yeah, you gotta.
Wait, what are you gonna do?
Oh wait, do it.
Do what? Open the door?
No, leave, it's gonna open!
Okay.
Leave!
Okay, I'm going.
The door opens after some time. Okay.
You're good?
Yeah, I'm good, I'm here, dude.
Okay, Okay, thank God. This was the death zone.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Bro, they all fucking died.
And what
All
the
this for a
fuck?
fucking Beehive.